Hey guys, how are you? I'm using Genesis mining for the past 1.5 month, and I do buy some Bitcoin hash power. You can see like 6 terahashes, and I get like somewhat $170 till now. And actually making this video to tell about uh, the Bitcoin mining. The early bird, they told us they just give us the hash power, which is releasing on December 31st 2017 of this year. That was sold out. Actually, you can see it was sold out, so there is no more uh, pre-Bitcoin mining. It's already sold out, and they do have right now 2-year Ethereum mining and 2-year Monero mining. And that's it, guys. That Genesis mining was pretty good, and I like this. And I just bought 1.5 terahashes and the early bird contract. It was a pretty good income, and I just want to buy more, but I have to plan in the future. Mm, right now, it was so good. So um, this is my first video, the second video about the Genesis mining. So all you guys encourage me to do more videos about the Genesis mining, and have a great night. Thank you. Peace.